Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to download Windows 11 in your system. Okay, if you want to download ISO file, so guys, it is very easy. So guys, here you see that we are on the official website of Microsoft. When I open it, so I'm seeing that I am in a mm, place where I am unable to download the window because the direct link is difficult to find. Like even I also type download Windows 11. So I think it's give me only the installer, not the ISO file. So guys, here you see download. When I click on the option of download, so guys, is automatically detect your product, detect your system, and guys, it give me the file in the extension of .exe. Then I open it, then it start the installation process, then it download the Windows, and it is little difficult, and maybe sometime it conflict in your systems. Okay, but if you want to download the iOS disk, so guys, here you go, download Windows 11 disk ISO for you. Now you go here, and guys, you select, and guys, you confirm. Okay, and here you choose your language and region. So you choose like English, United States, then again confirm. After that, you verified your download and link valid for 24 hours from the creation. Okay, so guys, you can check like this. So guys, still it is a here you go, 64 download, and here you see the extension of .ios. And guys, if you're facing any issue during this process, so guys, there is a one website uupdump.com. When you simply search uupdump.com, here you can go for the Windows 11 for search. Even you search with your code. So here you search 26H2 if you want to 26H2. Okay, and you just select, and guys, you just wait, and guys, here you can check preview update for Windows. You just go here, select your region, and where you browse your file, click the option of next, and here you can even add more additions. Okay, here you check all the details. Okay, so preview the update for Windows 11, then click the option of next. Here it asks you how much space it need, addition, your update preview, your file type, and you just go and create the package and download. So this is a simple way that you can do. And guys, thank you and have a nice day.